Welcome back, guys, to another Ghost FPV episode. I got the Reptile Cloud 149 Ghost Edition right here, and I'm gonna try to put a GoPro on it. I got the gyro flow running on this video, as you're gonna see later, but it's the 1606 motors, and it's a 3-inch Reptile Cloud. It's a cloudy day outside, so we're gonna check it out. Oh, something dropped there. Don't know if you could see, we're at this little remote spot. I'm gonna try to get some cinema type flying with the GoPro. Starting to get used to this stuff here and how she flies, but this is really the first time I'm gonna be flying with the GoPro.